Welcome to 1100 Legend Drive, an impeccably maintained home in the sought-after traditions at Carey Station near Lake Oconee. This like-new, move-in, ready 4-bedroom, 3-bath home offers 2,622 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space on a private lot, just a short walk from the community pool. From the moment you step inside, you'll feel the perfect balance of comfort, functionality, and style. The open-concept main level is ideal for both everyday living and entertaining, featuring a spacious great room, a bright dining area, and a sleek kitchen with stainless steel appliances and quartz countertops. A guest suite on the main floor offers added convenience for visitors. Upstairs, the generous primary suite includes a walk-in closet and spa-like ensuite bath. 2 more bedrooms and a bonus room above the garage offer flexibility for a bunk room, playroom, home theater, or second living space. Endless possibilities. Located just minutes from Lake Oconee Academy, shopping, dining, and the lake's recreational fun, this home truly has it all. Don't miss your chance to live in one of Lake Oconee's most desirable communities. Schedule your private tour today.